Hello everyone, Jeff Bouwman here, and if you're watching this video, you're probably checking out the first ever virtual open house at Shoemate Middle School. And today I'm going to talk to you about my 6th grade science class. 6th grade science, super awesome, great curriculum. We're going to be doing a lot of hands-on activities this year, and I'm very excited for that. So first up, we need to talk the syllabus, and I'm going to give you my quick version of the syllabus as I only have short time. So the syllabus will be sent to you electronically via email, so you can check that out ahead of time whenever you'd like. Our 6th grade syllabus for the 2020-2021 year, very simple, straightforward, 3 big rules: respect, responsibility, safety. Those follow our PBIS guidelines at Shoemate Middle School. We have a science classroom. We run a lot of labs. Students have to obviously be safe. Number 1, responsible, get your homework done, and respect. We share a lot of science ideas. And with that being said, students have to have a warm, comfortable environment to where they can share those ideas out. So respect is a huge thing in my classroom. Contact information, you can find it right here, baumanj@jibdis.net. Or if you need to get a hold of me, you can give Shoemate a call at 734-379-7600. Email updates, I will send emails out every so often, so check your email. I want to make sure that you are aware of all class information. Schoology, we use that to host all of our assignments, multimedia, and everything the students need to learn can be found on Schoology. So that's there. And if you want to check out all the cool science we're doing here at Shoemate Middle School, you can check out our Facebook page, Shoemate Science. Shameless plug right there, but check that out, super cool. Grading policy, very simple. All assignments are due before their due date. If your student is having a hard time, never hesitate, reach out to me via email, and I'll do everything I can to get your student all caught up. And per Shoemate, again, quizzes, tests, big projects are worth 70% of the student's final grade, and homework and in-class labs are worth 30%. It's 70% for summative, 30% for formative. Chromebooks, huge thing. We use our Chromebooks just about every day in here, so please, please, please make sure your student has his or her Chromebook charged the night before, ready to go. And we will be using our Chromebooks with our TCI Bring Science Alive series, and that's our interactive science notebook. It's electronic. 3 big books we're going to work with this year: Ecosystems, Weather and Climate, Forces and Energy. And my supply list, very simple, straightforward: pencils, colored pencils. If your student has a shoebox, they can keep it here with all of their material stuffed inside of it. That way, they're the only ones using those, name on it. And if they happen to have a clipboard, they can bring that to school on days where we go outside for nature walks, if we're going to be able to do that. So like I said, 3 big books: Ecosystems, Weather and Climate, Forces and Energy, and all of the essentials we're going to be doing are listed right here for each one. And then the Michigan Science Standards are listed lastly. And all of our curriculum is laid out here for the 6th grade year. So like I said, you can check that out on your own. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit stop share, and I'm going to use my computer here to take you for a little walk around my classroom, selfie style, if you will. So I'm going to hit stop share. And all right, so my classroom, very cool, a lot of science stuff. You have kites on the ceiling. We have a big old Promethean board in front of the classroom. Love it. Over here, we have our fish tanks. We have our salmon tank. We have our sturgeon tank. This year, I think we'll be able to have salmon, sturgeon. I'm not sure, because COVID-19 shut down the egg tank back in the spring. And all the way around the room, you'll notice that we have lots of cool science stuff on the wall. Student dividers in between, those are going to be there. And this is kind of what our classroom looks like. It's a science room. We are getting science done, and this is what it looks like. So, as always, if you ever have any questions, please reach out to me, baumanj@jibdis.net. And this is what our 6th grade classroom, and this is what our year is going to look like. So, with that being said, thank you for taking the time to check out this video, and let's start getting science done.